Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this ring light. If you can see, this no longer has the part that this swivel connects onto. Okay, it's already gone. I am going to use these two bolts where it should connect. So that's the idea. I will make this bolt as the connecting point for this swivel to hold on to. But first I want to see what's on the inside of this ring light, because I will be using epoxy later. Okay. Okay. So this will be, I will put it in here. So first I will try to use some super glue to initially connect these two bolts. I don't want the super glue to enter the inner part, because it will be hard to insert this screw. Okay, let's just wait for a while. Before adding another layer of glue. We know that they are aligned because they are already inside. Okay, let's wait for a little bit. Okay, the super glue has dried up. We will now remove it. We know that they are aligned. This is where we're going to position them. So let's mix some epoxy. Just try to estimate how much you will be using. Okay. As I have practiced before, just dip your hands or your finger into a few drops of water. Then position the bolt. We don't want to cover this area, of course, because that's where the swivel nut is going to connect. So just take your time. If you need to remove some epoxy, now let's wait for it to solidify, maybe after 2 or 3 hours. This is the finished uh, process of applying epoxy. We're going to wait, and then we'll try if everything will turn out okay. Okay, the epoxy has hardened, as you can see. It's hard. Now let's put it back. Okay. Okay, it can now stand. Can now tilt it, move it forward, move it sideways. Let's put it on the housing. Let's put it into the stand. Okay. Let's try it. Okay. Let's tilt it. Tilt it back. Tilt it sideways. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.